So the webinos project starts from this realization that we have all these, many wonderful connected devices.
Television, mobile, automotive, of course the desktop, and it goes beyond even Internet of Things.
And so the webinos project starts from this situation and says, well, let's use web technologies to see how we can get all these devices working together.
The scope of the project is to try and bring for applications and operating systems what the web's already done for documents and information distribution. We see webinos technology as very much being an innovation in browser technology to be the embodiment of the next generation browser.
Webinos TV is about sharing media content across different devices, like for example desktop, mobile phones, tablets. It's not only a multi-screen application, it's as well a multi-user application. So I could imagine to have as well devices connected within this application, which belongs to my family members, for example, and access media content from their devices and route it, display it on, for example, a big screen television or home media equipment. We're utilizing here the webinos platform in this demonstration, and doing that we have access to all the capabilities of connected devices. We use, for example, the mobile phone as a control medium for a control device for routing the media from a source device to a target display. And actions done on the mobile device are reflected on the big screen, the television. We will integrate applications in a way that the user does not get distracted from the media experience, but can operate and can launch and use applications on top of the shared media experience.
The webinos cross-screen payment demonstration is a demo that demonstrates how easy it is to connect all of your devices of your home and easily pay for contents as you want. Therefore, we provide a case where a user sits in front of his TV and watching a TV show, which is video on demand, and he has to pay for it using the webinos platform, using his mobile wallet on his phone, which is connected to his TV via the webinos platform. The innovation is the interaction between the TV and the mobile wallet.
The File Manager demo is a webinos application that allows users to share files among their devices. So let's imagine that a user has a device like a tablet, a TV, a car, many laptops, and he wants to share music, information in general, presentation, some stuff among these devices. So with the File Manager application, he can select the folders he wants to share among devices and let other devices or other friends to access these files, and everything without the need of an external service. The innovation stays on the fact the user can share his files just with his devices, so he don't have to rely on external services. So the user remains the proprietary of his files, of his stuff. Every user has a personal zone which consists of the list of its devices. So each device has a personal zone proxy that can be connected to this personal zone hub to access the content of other devices, the services of other devices, and also to, through this personal zone hub, to be connected to personal zone of other users. So I can share with my friends my content or my services.
Is about managing your travel plans and then seamlessly get navigated towards your destinations. And the great thing about this application is that you can use it on any of your devices. So whether you are using a mobile device, a desktop computer, or an in-car system, all your settings and your preferences will automatically be synchronized between each of these devices. So a basic scenario could be that a user is planning his trip on a desktop computer, then gets into his car. The car automatically has all the data needed, navigates the user towards his final destination. He gets out of his car, takes his mobile, and has all the information he needs.
Yeah, the cut scenario here is that in case of emergency and at the headquarters, for example, a warning is issued by an executive, and this warning is then forwarded to the webinos platform, and this message is, or this warning is then forwarded to the person. We are not relying on a single device, but forwarding the warning to all devices. So the probability to get warned actually is higher. Home automation systems are very relevant for the advanced scenario, as this is one of the domains we cover in webinos. And the warning is used to initiate certain actions within the home. Webinos introduces the personal zone concept, which covers all the person's devices, such as, for example, the home automation systems. So we have here a location-based service, actually, which with the advantage of not sharing this location information with other entities. So we preserve here the privacy of the user by keeping the location information within the user's personal zone.
Well, the Party Player demo demonstrates using collaborating in a fun way. Imagine you're at a party and, well, either the host has all the music or a couple of nerds, they grab the audio system, the stereo, and then show that they really have a bad taste. With Party Player, that all ends. You can bring your own music, vote for the music that others bring, and have interaction and create this wonderful experience together. What really stands out is that with the Webinos Party Player, there is no central server. So there's no service provider invading your privacy. It's just you, me, the people, our friends. We all bring our own devices, we bring our own music, and that is shared over the network very securely. No one from the outside could see that. Developers base their work on the up-to-up API, which makes it really easy for applications and services to find each other for people that are connected already to your personal zone. What would be really cool is it's currently an application for inside your house or inside your car. What would be really cool is that it would reach some kind of global level using WebRTC, stuff like that, that people can announce their own music, play VJ, and then in a global community.
So one of the things I'm personally most excited about is the successes we had with the automotive sector, bringing web technology and the open web platform to automotive with the webinos demos. And I think that's for us one of the most important achievements of the project.
In terms of what is inside that code, essentially you have an entire rich browser framework, all HTML5 compliant with all the advanced features. We then have 30 plus APIs. Each of those APIs expose different capabilities on the actual device, which comes outside the normal browser sandbox. And then as well as, and probably most importantly, a robust security and communications architecture which facilitates this personal cloud.